Beings of light, today we embark on a profound journey to understand and apply one of the most powerful concepts of esoteric philosophy, the First Hermetic Law, also known as the Principle of Mentalism. This law states that the all is mind, the universe is mental. In other words, everything we experience in the universe originates in the mind or consciousness. This idea invites us to realize that the reality we live in is a manifestation of our deepest ideas, thoughts, and beliefs. Just as an architect envisions a building in their mind before materializing it in the physical world, the universe is also designed and sustained by a higher mind. When we understand that everything around us is, in some way, a reflection of mental energy, we recognize the immense power of our minds in shaping our reality. The principle of mentalism teaches us that our thoughts create and shape our life experiences. If we are frequently entangled in thoughts of fear, scarcity, or doubt, our reality will begin to reflect those feelings, manifesting as difficulties and limitations. However, if we cultivate thoughts of love, confidence, and abundance, we will see these qualities reflected in our lives, bringing prosperity, harmony, and happiness. This principle reminds us that we are co-creators of our reality. Our inner world is responsible for what we see in the outer world, and with the power of our minds, we can change our life experience. Now, let's explore how to apply this principle in a practical way to achieve a life of prosperity and abundance. To apply the First Hermetic Law, the first step is awareness. We need to begin observing our daily thoughts and understand that, many times, we have automatic and unconscious thoughts that prevent us from thriving. These thoughts may go unnoticed, yet they have a profound impact on our ability to achieve success. By paying attention to our thought patterns, we can identify those that are blocking our path to realizing our goals. Mental reprogramming is essential to creating a new reality based on prosperity. This means we must replace negative and limiting thoughts with positive and empowering affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I can never save money," we can replace it with, "I am building a stable and prosperous financial life." Repeating these affirmations daily not only helps transform conscious thinking, but also influences our subconscious, creating a new internal perception aligned with our goals. Another powerful aspect of the First Hermetic Law is visualization. Visualization is a practical tool for using the power of the mind in our daily lives. By creating vivid and detailed mental images of our goals, we send clear signals to our subconscious, which begins to work to make those images a reality. When visualizing a financial goal, for example, we can imagine having achieved that goal, feeling the emotion and gratitude that come with that accomplishment, and visualizing all the details of this new reality. The more real and emotional the visualization, the more powerful it becomes, as our mind and energy align with that vision. Additionally, our actions must also be in harmony with our thoughts. Although the power of the mind and visualizations is immense, concrete actions are fundamental to manifesting our intentions. This means that we must identify practical steps we can take to achieve our goals. These steps may include learning more about personal finance, seeking new qualifications, or exploring business opportunities that help us attain prosperity. Finally, to maintain an abundance mindset, it is essential to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude has the power to shift our focus from lack to abundance, making us concentrate on what we already have rather than what we lack. This simple act of appreciating small victories and everyday blessings changes our energetic vibration, creating a positive cycle that attracts more good things into our lives. When we cultivate gratitude, we open space for more prosperity and harmony to enter our reality. Thus, by applying the principle of mentalism, we begin to actively shape our lives. By aligning our thoughts, visualizations, actions, and environment, we can manifest the prosperity and abundance we seek. But more importantly, this process is not limited to material wealth. It also enriches us spiritually and emotionally, creating a harmonious balance that overflows into all aspects of our existence. The greatest lesson is realizing that the power to change our reality has always been within us, waiting to be awakened. Now that you understand the strength of this principle, I would like to know how you have applied the principle of mentalism in your own life. What changes would you like to see by aligning your thoughts and intentions with what you desire to create? Share your ideas in the comments, because our power of transformation is collective. And by sharing, we help each other grow. To apply the First Hermetic Law practically and achieve prosperity and abundance, it is crucial to understand how our thoughts shape our reality and how we can reprogram our minds to direct them towards success. If the universe is mental, as the principle of mentalism teaches us, then our mind is the most powerful tool we have to manifest what we desire. The first step to this transformation is awareness of daily thoughts. Often we are influenced by negative and limiting mental patterns that operate on autopilot without us realizing it. These unconscious thoughts may be blocking our path to prosperity. By consciously observing what goes through our minds daily, we can begin to identify beliefs and ideas that prevent us from achieving our goals. After this observation phase, the next step is to reprogram our minds. This means replacing negative thoughts and limiting beliefs with positive and empowering affirmations. For example, if we often think, "I never have enough money," we can transform this affirmation into, "I am prosperous and attract abundance into my life." Repeating positive affirmations daily, especially with intention and emotion, directly influences the subconscious and helps create a new internal perception that aligns with our desires. Besides affirmations, one of the most powerful techniques for manifestation is creative visualization. By creating detailed mental images of our goals, we send clear signals to our subconscious, which begins to work to transform these images into reality. When visualizing a financial goal, for example, we can imagine ourselves achieving this accomplishment, feeling the emotion and gratitude of realization, and visualizing all the details of this new scenario. The more vivid and emotionally charged the visualization, the more influential it becomes. However, merely thinking positively is not enough. For the First Hermetic Law to work fully, it is necessary to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This means we must act according to our goals, taking concrete steps toward what we want to manifest. If our desire is financial prosperity, for example, we need to make decisions aligned with this goal, such as learning more about finances, seeking new qualifications, or finding ways to generate more income opportunities. Another essential factor in maintaining a high vibration and attracting abundance is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we still lack to what we already have, creating a positive cycle of attraction. When we focus on the blessings that are already part of our lives, no matter how small they seem, our energetic vibration rises, making us naturally more receptive to new opportunities and abundance. This daily habit changes our mental state and reinforces our power to create a more positive reality, aligned with our desires. Now that we understand how our thoughts and emotions influence reality and how we can reprogram them to attract prosperity, in the next segment, we will explore the importance of our environment and how it can help or hinder the manifestation of the reality we desire. Additionally, we will see how this continuous practice of mentalism leads not only to material prosperity, but also to a state of spiritual and emotional harmony, creating balance in all aspects of life.